Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Soul 123 doing a video walk around for this Toyota Camry Hybrid, guys. It's a hybrid Toyota Camry and it's gonna be the cheapest, the nicest Toyota Hybrid Camry around here. Guys, one key, one car, one love. Pretty much. Let's go over the driver's side. You can hear the car running. Runs clean. Vehicle has some miles on the car, but mechanically it sounds beautiful, like a Toyota, pretty much. Hybrid. All right. Clean interior, nice seats, take a look. Driver's seat is perfect, no holes, non-smoker, guys. So it has no interior issues, it has no headliner issues. Back seats are perfect, very clean. Look at these, this is nice. You got a Pioneer radio, you got a backup camera. I'm guessing this thing has all the plugins for your Apple and Apple CarPlay and probably a bunch of stuff. You gotta connect your phone to it, you see. Okay, you got 189,000 miles. I said it's gonna be the cheapest, the nicest Toyota around. You got a microphone here, you got dash cam here. Well, somebody was fully loaded here. Cold air conditioner, guys. Super cold. Okay, all right. Gonna open up the trunk, gonna open up the hood, gonna open up the doors. Look at these seats. Seats are clean, and it's not a smoker's car, because it does not smell anything in the car, like nothing at all. All right, it's super clean, guys, super clean. Your tires are fine, you don't need to change them. Back tires are good. You got some scratches in the rear bumper somewhere. Okay, maybe not. Okay, you got some minor things. Okay, you got a trunk space. Let's see if we got a spare tire. Oh, you got a spare. All the tools, everything is here. Okay, let's go on the bottom of the car quick. That's the bottom. Looks clean. Hey, you can see the car is from Florida. Once again, to my buyers from Ohio, Chicago, New York, Long Island, whatever. Guys, come and get it, because this is not a typical rust bucket car that you might have near you locally, and probably more expensive. You buy it from Always Soul 123 and we'll ship you the car. Hybrid. You can see inverter, coolant. Beautiful. So if it's 180,000 miles on the car, and consider that it has two motors, right? One is hybrid, one is regular. So I'm guessing that you split this 180,000 miles and you really have like 90,000 miles to the motor. Okay, all your coolant levels, everything is correct, guys. Okay, I got interrupted by a FedEx guy, and he told me that he has a package for somebody else and he wants me to help him deliver it. I said, sorry sir, I don't have time. I'm doing this nice video for people. Take a look, no rust, guys. Once again, here's your tires, here's your back. Hey buddy, you can't go through it, you gotta go around. You gotta drive around, there's no entrance, it's locked. Okay, I keep telling him that he can't go and cut corners. He has to go actually drive and deliver the package. All right, let's see what's in there. Okay, you got some book, old registration. I'm gonna throw that out. AC is super cold. That's your GPS. You guys gonna figure out there's a SD card in it. You gotta figure out how it works. That's an option for you guys. Oh, here you go. You got that little scratch right here. Okay, guys, sold by always sold 123. Always sold 123. Guys, friendly disclosure. A friendly disclosure, guys. This vehicle is sold as is, just like any other vehicle that we have on the website is sold as is. On paperwork, it will be as is, regardless of any statement. Anything that you can hear, listen, come and check out the car. Come and look at it, drive it. Guys, this car is cash, priced as cash. Taxes, fees, and registration is not included in price. Taxes, fees, and registration, just like at any other store when you go buy something. Just like in the restaurant. Just like in the Home Depot, you're gonna pay your taxes, you're gonna have to pay your taxes here. Alright, registration, new plate, transfer plate, in your state, shipping, guys, $1 per mile about to any state we can deliver the car to you. You're gonna have to pay for shipping. Guys, with the blessings, my name is Mark from Always Sold 123. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.